All right, guys, I'm gonna get dinner done and cooking because I'm hungry, man. It's about 6 o'clock, well, 7 o'clock now, and I already cleaned the spare ribs. Okay, I washed and cleaned the spare ribs. I cut off the fat because we don't eat the fat, so I cut it off, and that's it. Okay, this is the seasoning I'm going to be using. Some pepper, some onion, and herb. I never tried this before. Kingsford. I never tried this. I really hope that is good, because if it's not, I'm going to be horribly pissed. And we're going to be using some garlic salt, okay? We got the pan ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little butter at the bottom of the pan. Then I'm going to just do what I do. Y'all know how I get down, all right? Let's get it cooking. All right, we're going to get some butter down here, okay? Not a lot of butter, okay? Just a little bit. I'm trying not to tear a hole in the aluminum foil as I do this. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with this smoky Kingsford seasoning oil that I just got. All right, like I said, I don't know how this is. I just got it, and I hope it's good. So let's just pray for the best. Guys, we got these bad boys seasoned up. Now we're gonna throw these bad boys in the pan, alright? Look at this. Look at these, boy. And they seasoned really well. Hopefully we can fit all of them in here. Because if not, I am gonna be very mad. Alright, this is the best I can do right now. Alright, my great people, we're going to throw some aluminum foil on this bad boy. And we're going to toss it in the oven, alright? I already got the oven preheated. Alright, and that's that. Alright, we're going to let these cook. Let me fix my camera real quick. We're going to let these cook for about an hour and 25, well, about an hour. I'll say on 6, let's put it up to, let's put it up, oh my God, I'm like so off today, guys. Let's put it up to like 370, 375. And we're going to let that cook for about an hour. Why is that so, oh my God, I can't record today. It's like I'm a noob. I'm a noob today. I can't record today. All right, we're going to let that cook for, like I've been trying to say for the last 5 times, we're going to let that cook for about an hour. They pretty thick, so about an hour and 25 minutes, okay? So, I'll be back. All right, y'all, these spare ribs been in the oven for about 2 hours, okay? So now I'm just going to add the barbecue sauce. I mean, yeah, let me dump some of this juice out, because you always want to just make sure your spare ribs are done before you cook pork. So you might want to always make sure that your pork is done. And this is looking mighty, mighty juicy. Okay? Didn't have rum. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to just dump some of this juice out real quick.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so we just going to go ahead and add this barbecue sauce, man. And when we be done, get a good amount of barbecue sauce on there.